Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Juice and Desire, where we blend up healthy, tasty and powerful smoothies. Today I've got a special one for you. This banana, ginger, honey, spinach and milk smoothies is not just delicious but also packed with amazing benefits for vaginal health. The banana and honey gives you natural energy and keeps you hydrated, which helps with the vaginal lubrication. Spinach, as you all know, is loaded with iron and folate, supporting reproductive health. Ginger and honey have antibacterial properties that help fight infections and keep things fresh down there. And of course, milk adds proteins and calcium for overall well being. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your health, this smoothie is a must try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because my next video is going to be even more exciting. Stay tuned. It's your boy Kelly.